Hey guys, it's Catfish and I'm back with another video. And we're at the Memphis International Raceway right now. And it's the calm before the storm. And y'all gotta see who just pulled up, man. Look at that, he got that Montana plate on there. Here go my guy right here, boy. What up, TJ? Catfish Corner. Man, I see you every time I make a comment, you always heard it, man. My man. What's up, boy? Say what's up to the people.
What's up, baby? How y'all doing?
Oh, we blessed, man. This a man right here, y'all.
Like that?
Love that.
Yes, sir.
I had to bring it out, man, just to
respect for that,
yeah, you know, I had to bring it out.
Just for GP, huh? You was like, I'll bring the demon, but I'm also gonna load the Lambo.
You know, I gotta bring him out here. I might as well bring him out here.
Hey,
I might as well bring him out here.
Y'all know I normally lead the way on the ball.
Yeah, TJ. Hold this for me, man. I'm vlogging.
I got the bald-headed bearded copyright on YouTube. Any bald-headed bearded black man, they copyright infringement. It's infringement. So you got the bald head goatee.
So he ready back here. He ready. He already ready, bro.
I'm OG.
OG, tell him.
I've had it for 50.
No doubt.
I think I've had it since I'm 54.
Oh, okay. That's a little bit before me, you know what I mean? But you know,
At least 10 years older than that now.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I get it.
28. Y'all head, TJ Millionaire
Mentor 28. All that success before the age of 28. And the secret is you gotta just start. Okay?
You gotta start.
Just start. If you're 12 right now, you're listening, start right now. Get on that YouTube channel. Get on that YouTube channel, put that camera up.
Anything you want to say to the people that wish they could have came, but we're gonna be watching all the footage?
Man, you know, we're gonna miss y'all, man, but next time y'all gotta be out here. Y'all just gotta, you know, make the move, you know. We made the move.
Yeah,
I made
that move 6 a.m. this morning.
Right.
Wow.
So yeah, man.
I came out of Orlando.
Yeah, y'all good people, man. I'm gonna talk to you.
Oh yes sir. Yes sir.
There's Orlando Park, man. Y'all here.
Yeah, that's TJ Millionaire Mentor.
Yeah, that's TJ Millionaire Mentor there, man. Right on, boy. There you go, right there. TJ Millionaire Mentor.
What's up, baby?
Yes, sir. All right, baby. We got a lot of YouTubers out here, man. We're in the pitch. We're in the calm before the storm. We got the I-8 out here. We got Mission Fly out here. We got the Soul Snatcher with the First Lady. He charging the battery up. This dude got a cover trailer. You know he ain't playing no games. Yes, sir. Oh, Gearheads and brought their car out here. Look at this, y'all. I'm giving y'all the first look at it. Man, look at this thing, boy. Y'all getting exclusive on Catfish Corner.
Just a Mustang, man.
Yeah, that's all right. You know, look. Hunter got his name on the car. Look at this. Look at that pipe there. Yeah, buddy. Y'all seen it first on Catfish Corner. Yes, sir. We're gonna see what it do. Yeah, we're gonna walk over here. Oh! Who's this guy right here? My boy, Monty Fame. What's up, baby? What's up, man? I'm blessed, man. Good to see you again, man. What's going on?
Ain't nothing, man. Just
yes, sir.
Man, you know.
How the car coming?
Coming.
Let my people know. Tell them it's coming. It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming.
All
Slow
right.
motion, but it's coming.
It's gonna be a monster when it get done.
It is. That it is.
Okay.
That it is.
All right.
It's gonna be really, really, really fast.
All right, bro.
It's gonna be the fastest car I've ever driven.
You know what? I'll be looking forward too. All right, brother. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey, somebody calling you.
He ain't listening. He got an earbud.
Oh, lady, there go Mrs. X right there.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. We're going to walk over here in the pits, man. The calm before the storm. They're going to start unloading these monsters. That Malibu bad, boy. Got an LS in it. Jordan got the Malibu over here. He brought the Malibu down. Sideways Productions, y'all see it. You got Lucky Wheels and Deals. I beat y'all here.
No, you didn't.
Johnny Lee. Yes, I did. I've been here. No, y'all was pulling up. I was already here. Yep. Yep. We got Melly's World. Got her car. Got Swervo.
Ain't got no time. I ain't gonna have enough time. If I get the neck done now.
There goes Swervo right there.
Yo, you up?
What up? What up? What up?
You up?
No, I ain't live. Got Adonis 815. Y'all go subscribe to this channel. Got the green monster right here, TK's car. Yeah, they let us in the pits. We got all access to the calm before the storm. Y'all see TK Garage right there. Go follow him on YouTube. He got Adonis 815. Follow him on Instagram. You got Blogging with Angie and the kids.
Look, if you want some,
Okay, I got you.
Mommy? Yeah.
Everybody here, man. Everybody here. You got Stunner finna unload the Doberman. Yeah, he finna unload the Doberman, y'all. Y'all see the Reaper. Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's a calm before the storm, y'all. Finna walk back over here. All these trailers. We in the pits, y'all. So, yeah, we in the pits. So, walking over here. New York over here talking to Mod the Fame. Soul Snatcher. Oh, we got TJ Millionaire Mentor over here. He got the Demon and he got the Lambo too. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Y'all seen this Demon? Famous Demon. Yeah, I'll see it. Yep. Cooling off and stuff. Yeah, you got that Demon over there. Yeah, he brought this from California, y'all. Yeah. What's up, TJ? Say something to the people. Say something to the people real quick. Just something.
You know what I always say, man.
Chase
Your potential. If you chase your potential, you cannot help but win.
Thank you.
Just do that.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
That's it.
Appreciate you. Yeah, this is the calm before the storm. You got Mission over here checking the air pressure.
Letting the air out.
Oh, letting it out. He's doing something to it. He's
Catfish?
getting it ready, man.
Getting it ready.
He's getting it ready. He's getting it ready.
Got a DJ on here, Catfish.
Huh?
You got DJ New York on here.
Yeah, that's my guy, man. I gotta move my car over there.
Everybody recording.
Yep. We got Race X over here mounting up the business end.
Yeah, we got to.
He over here mounting up, y'all.
Got to get it ready to go.
Y'all see him. He did his already. Now he getting mamas together now, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Important one right here.
Yes, sir. Got to do what you got to do. Look at that. Look at that. This is a world famous. This is a world famous Hellcat right here. And it sound nasty too. Yep. right, guys, that's just a little snippet of what's going down today, the calm before the storm. I'll be back later with another video once they start racing. And just like that, this video is over.